Meanwhile, Eskom Chair Dr. Mteto Nyati has dismissed reports that these rolling blackouts are being used as an electioneering ploy. Speaking on Face the Nation, Nyati says the reprieve from load shedding is a result of work done within Eskom over the past 18 months. The utility says it now has sufficient generation capacity and emergency reserves to meet demand.
When I listen to what South Africans are saying, I guess I understand them because as Eskom, we have let them down a number of times in the past. So when they see things now improving, they probably are skeptical, and it's understandable so. But what we know, because I'm sitting on the board of Eskom, I'm engaged with Eskom, we review the numbers of Eskom, we review operations on a daily basis. What I can say that what is happening now is a reflection of all of the work that has been done within Eskom over the last, I would say, 18 months or so. I think around March last year, when management, together with the board, they presented what is called a generation recovery plan. And that plan, at the center of it really, it was about focusing on maintenance, driving the discipline of maintenance. And we tried, again, not to try to be fancy or anything. It was a very simple plan. We had about 5 power stations that were doing well. Our plan was to make sure that we keep those continuing to do well. There were about 6 power stations that were contributing 80% of the problems of Eskom. Those, we focus on them and say we have to maintain them, fix them, and get them to a position where they are more reliable. And the third thing that we wanted to do is to make sure all of the other power stations, do we have the right leaders in those operations who are going to be driving the right disciplines within those operations. Those 3 things, they have helped us to be where we are now. The generation recovery plan, it is a 2-year plan. It was approved by the board in April last year for 2 years, which means that we are a year into that plan. And already we're starting to see the benefits, but we are not done yet. We still have to continue to do what we set out to do.